What's up everyone, it's Azizul here and welcome back to Tectonic. Today we're diving into gadgets for healthy weight gain. So if you're ready to hit those weight goals with cutting-edge tech, stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. Kicking things off at number 5, we've got smart food scales. These aren't your grandma's kitchen scales. My top pick is the brand name scale. It's sleek, accurate, and connects with fitness apps like MyFitnessPal. Place your food on the scale and it calculates calories, macros, and micronutrients instantly. No more guesstimating portion sizes. Syncing with apps means you can track meals, monitor progress, and adjust your diet. Many smart scales have databases of thousands of food items. Whether it's a protein-packed smoothie or healthy carbs, the scale's got you covered. A smart food scale is a game changer for precise nutrition. Coming in at number 4, we've got smart blenders. These aren't just any blenders. They're designed to make your life easier and your nutrition goals more achievable. When you're trying to pack on pounds, it can be incredibly daunting to consume the sheer volume of food required. Chewing through mountains of food can be a challenge, leaving you feeling tired and overwhelmed. A powerful blender can pulverize fruits, veggies, protein powders, and nuts into calorie-dense smoothies, making it easier to consume the nutrients you need without the hassle. My top pick is the brand name blender. This blender stands out for its efficiency and versatility. It has pre-programmed settings for high-calorie shakes and smoothies, so you can get the perfect blend every time without any guesswork. The companion app tracks your smoothie intake and suggests recipes tailored to your nutritional needs, making it easier to stay on track. Imagine tossing ingredients into the blender and getting a nutrient-packed smoothie in seconds. It's that simple and convenient. Customize your smoothies with extra protein or healthy fats to meet your specific dietary goals. Whether it's adding a scoop of protein powder or a handful of nuts, the possibilities are endless. A smart blender makes it easier and more enjoyable to consume the calories you need, turning a chore into a delight. Perfect for days when you're short on time or don't feel like cooking, a smart blender ensures you never miss out on essential nutrients. A smart blender is essential for healthy weight gain, providing a quick, efficient, and enjoyable way to meet your caloric and nutritional needs. Coming in at number 3, we have fitness bands with calorie burn tracking. Gaining weight isn't just about eating, it's also about energy expenditure. A reliable fitness tracker can be a game changer. I'm recommending the brand name Fitness Tracker. It tracks steps, heart rate, sleep, and estimates daily calorie burn. Calorie burn tracking gives you insight into your energy expenditure. Adjust your calorie intake to ensure a consistent calorie surplus. Fitness trackers also offer workout tracking, sleep monitoring, and stress detection. A fitness tracker with accurate calorie burn tracking can fine-tune your calorie intake and maximize gains. Coming in at number 2, we've got meal prep gadgets. These tools are game changers for anyone serious about their nutrition and fitness goals. Consistency is key for gaining weight, but cooking healthy meals daily can be tricky. The chaos of a busy kitchen can be overwhelming and it's easy to fall off track. Meal prep gadgets make it a breeze. They streamline the process, making it efficient and even enjoyable. I'm talking about tools like the brand name meal prep system. This system is designed to simplify your meal prep routine. It comes with stackable containers, portion control dividers, and recipe ideas for bulking up. These features help you stay organized and ensure you're getting the right portions. Imagine dedicating a couple of hours on Sunday to prepping meals for the week. This small investment of time can save you hours during the week. Whip up a big batch of chicken and rice, chop veggies, and portion everything out. This way, you have complete control over your ingredients and portions. You've got grab-and-go meals ready for the week. No more scrambling to find something healthy to eat. No more last-minute decisions or unhealthy temptations. With your meals prepped, you can easily avoid the lure of fast food and stick to your nutrition plan. Just nutritious, calorie-packed fuel to support your weight gain goals. Each meal is designed to provide the right balance of nutrients to help you achieve your fitness objectives. These meal prep systems are designed for convenience. They take the guesswork out of meal planning and make it easy to stick to your diet. They're microwave and dishwasher safe, and some come with insulated bags. This means you can heat up your meals quickly and clean up with minimal effort. Investing in a solid meal prep system is one of the best things you can do for your weight gain journey. It not only saves you time but also ensures you're eating the right foods. It takes the stress out of eating consistently and sets you up for success. With a well-organized meal prep system, you can focus on your workouts and other important aspects of your life, knowing that your nutrition is taken care of. And finally, the ultimate gadget for weight gain, the Smart Body Composition Scale. This isn't just any ordinary scale, it's a comprehensive tool that provides a wealth of information about your body. This device gives you a detailed breakdown of your body composition, including metrics like body fat percentage, muscle mass, bone density, and hydration levels. The brand name scale is my top pick. It's renowned for its accuracy and user-friendly interface, making it a favorite among fitness enthusiasts and professionals alike. It uses bioelectrical impedance analysis to estimate body fat percentage, muscle mass, bone density, and hydration levels. This technology sends a small electrical current through your body to measure resistance, providing precise data. This information is crucial for making adjustments to your diet and exercise routine. By understanding your body's composition, you can tailor your nutrition and workouts to meet your specific goals. If you're not gaining as much muscle as expected, adjust your workout or increase calorie intake. The scale's data can guide you in tweaking your regimen for better results. If body fat percentage is too high, tweak your diet or add more cardio. The insights from the scale help you make informed decisions to optimize your health and fitness. A Smart Body Composition Scale provides data and insights for informed decisions. It's like having a personal trainer and nutritionist in one device, offering guidance and support every step of the way. With this scale, you can track your progress, set realistic goals, and stay motivated on your fitness journey. It's an essential tool for anyone serious about improving their health and achieving their fitness goals. And there you have it, Tectonic's top 5 gadgets for healthy weight gain. Remember, gaining weight isn't just about eating more, it's about eating smart and training effectively. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try. Until next time, stay healthy and stay tech savvy.